Pennsylvania. Go USA. Go USA. It's been real, it's been cool, a little fun that I can through. Everybody knows my name. I will turn you up so you can understand the way it works. You're from the promised land. I'ma turn you up so you understand. I'ma turn it up so you understand. 'Cause how it works when you're from this land. I'ma turn you up until you understand. From the promised land, well, that's what I know, man. Until you understand, we're all from this promised land. We gotta share the plan. We gotta share the plan. thought process. We're all from this land. All right, man.
Check it. Dude, that was
9 minutes, just saying, of what we did with our 9 minutes. That's, what did you do with your last 9 minutes? I'm just, no comparisons really, but I mean, Patrick Mahomes could do 13 seconds. No comparisons, right? Time isn't really what you think it is. Yeah, for real though, we are kind of getting ready to watch the World Cup, and hope you are too. But we decided we would instead use this opportunity to prepare ourselves musically, and then go watch some highlights in the end of the game. That's not very sweet, Melissa. Not good. Come through if you do what you need to. How the world, how the game, but you don't know how to go. Allow and let it go. How to go, how to go. Well, come through if you need to. How you might ever know how to go. How to go, how to do. And how we never do when you need to. Let it go. When you need to. probably think for like Radiohead or something.
Dude, that was cool, man. I
Very
was
well.
lost in that one.
36 minutes.
We were lost in that one.
Thanks for listening, yo.
Yeah, whoever kept up with that, kudos to you.
Should we call it good?
Probably check on the U.S.
One more.
Maybe.
One more. Let's go real slow.
Okay, one more.
We'll watch the clock. We got 36 on there. Let's not go past 40. We're gonna do what you call a summation. That was awesome, dude.
I can't stop, dude.
That was insane. Now that we know we're recording.
So and we know it's accurate. Yeah.
Go USA. We're about to go find out. Don't ruin the surprise.